Hey, what's going on, crew? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I just received a package. If this is something that's going to interest you, and if you like to see new stuff on the channel, then make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But today we're going to be taking a look at the Cell Mingo. And right here we do have the K50s. So this is the K50s. There's also a K51, which is also, you're gonna find that one at Metro by T-Mobile and Boost. But this is an unlocked variant, meaning that it still has the same features and specs as the K51, but it's unlocked right out of the box, which is why it has the S instead of the 51. So pretty much has the same features as the K51. So let's just see what we're getting inside of here. So on the bottom, you can see it says insert your SIM card and contact carrier to register. Unlock for all GSM carriers only, not Verizon or Sprint. Now, it says DTS X exclusively for LG, which is going to increase audio for our own personal listening pleasure. Now let's go ahead and open up the box. And right up top, you're going to be greeted with the LG K50s. Now it's going to read on the top 164 millimeters, 6.5-inch display, HD plus, FullVision notch display with triple cameras, military certified, and a Google Assistant button. So let's go ahead. So you get in the phone right here. You're getting the Type-C cord right here, so that you get Type-C charging. You get a 5-volt charger. You get your pin for taking out the SIM tray, and you also get some earbuds from LG, which have their branding on them, LG earbuds. And it has a nice, I like how they did this, because it's not like that one that goes straight out, it goes in. I mean, like, it does a 90-degree angle, so I like these type of headphones with that 90-degree angle. They're really hard to find. Now here we have the phone right here, and it comes in this plastic body, and this is a nice size for a phone right here. You can see that has that triple camera setup. We'll get into that in a lot more detail, but first let's just slide this right out of the sleeve right here and put this off to the side, and let's just take a look at the body. So we have this plastic on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, and then you have one more sticker on the bottom. You gotta take that off, and now you're greeted with this nice finish on the back. It has like this shiny finish on the back. It has a nice color to it. It kind of reminds me of marine, like the ocean marine blue, or aqua blue. That's probably a better color, but it's like that ocean blue color pretty much. So right here on this is different because you're getting the SIM card on the right side with the power, or this might be the dedicated Google button. Yes, it is, because on this side you're getting the volume rockers, and then you're getting the power button, or this could be the Google button. One of these is the Google button or the power button. Then on the bottom you're getting 3.5mm headphone jack, the microphone. You're also getting Type-C, and you're getting your volume. Let's give this phone some power. Now that we've looked at everything, you get a LED light right up top, a notch right up top. This is the K50s right there, powered by Android. You can see we do have a fingerprint sensor and the LG branding on the back. And it says life is good. This is a 6.5-inch phone, so I'm waiting for this to power on. This is gonna be just like the K51 from Boost or Metro, except it's unlocked right out of the box. So if you want an unlocked phone and if you're liking those phones, you should definitely check out this unlocked variant if you don't want to go through the carriers. And it's actually cheaper than if you bought it from the carriers. It's like $169 versus $189. So $20 more, so you can see this is a global version, so we're gonna go ahead and set that to English. Let's go ahead and continue. You can see it says right here, new second screen. Select how the new second screen will look. So you could click this one, or you could click this one. So let's just click the first one because they're gonna remove the notch if you click this one. You see what I'm saying? So it defeats the whole purpose. Plus, I don't like how that looks. That's a huge notch at the top. Let's hit the next button. It says, do you want to insert your SIM? Do I? Let's just skip that. We'll do that on the next video. I just pretty much just want to show you what you're getting right out of the box. The only thing you're not getting is a case. Skip anyway. Next. So I really like the color of this phone. Honestly, it has a really nice feel in the hand. 6.5 inches is actually the perfect size. It's not too crazy. As far as the size goes, it fits perfect in my hand. It says set the time zone, so we'll set it to the United States Eastern time. Let me see. New York. Where the hell? Eastern Daylight Time. Boom. Okay, there it is. And then next, and click more to see the Google services. You can accept them. Now it says secure your phone. You can set up a fingerprint. You can set up a pattern or password. So let's add our fingerprint. Hit next. Set it up one more time. Hit next. This phone has a nice size, guys. It looks really good. You can see that's how the bezels, how the overall screen looks when it comes to the quality of it. It's telling me to put my fingerprint now in. So you just lift into a different place every time, so you can get an accurate fingerprint scan. We're doing my left hand, which is my predominant hand. It says, do you want to add more? We'll just skip that right now because it's asking if you want to agree to all the legal information right here. So we'll just go ahead and do that. So yeah, we're gonna hit continue, done. And now we're in the interface here. It says, do you want to set up? We'll set up later. And so let's just take a look, guys. So it says home screen. You can get apps by swiping down to search for an app or a widget. And you can actually go into the home settings and set up the app drawer, because out of the box, they're not going to give you that option. So this one, it also does tell you you can hide home touch buttons here, and it's gone. So that's actually cool. Then swipe down, you can hide. So this has a really nice form factor. I do like how this form factor looks. It's got your Googles on the left, to the left, and then you got your panel right up top with the DTS right here for 3D sound. You got hotspot, you got voice over LTE, do not disturb, comfort view. Let's go over to our more settings here, and you're going to be noticing that we have dual SIM cards. We also have, when you go into Wi-Fi, I just want to see, cancel, if we have like a advanced Wi-Fi option. So you do get some, you can tailor the Wi-Fi. I'm trying to see if they have Wi-Fi calling. So when you go into call, you do get some options here for calling. They have tethering as well for hotspot, file sharing, media sharing, LG Drive printing, VPN. Now you have sounds here where you can go into your sounds. That's where they have the DTS sound effects. Now this will work, it looks like, with headphones. So you need headphones with that. You could also normalize, equalizer. They have an equalizer on here. What I usually do is turn it all the way up right here, but I haven't heard how the phone sounds yet, so we'll just leave it at the regular one for now and see how that comes out later on. You go to display and you're gonna see this is where you can change it to your rounded shape icons, cylinder, original. This is actually cool. You could also get a swipe effect. You could also change it to the app drawer. So let's just add an app drawer right here, and The other thing that is really cool is if you go into, I really like LG's software. I'm not quite sure how a lot of people don't like that. So you do get mini view as well. The software on the LG is really nice. So for people who don't really like it, I'm not sure, like why. It's really tailored and customizable. You could even go in here and list everything in one screen, so you don't have to like look at it separately, but they organize it here a little bit more better for you, so you can actually go into things. You do get your shortcuts, but we're going to go into this in a lot more detail. It seems like this thing has a ton of features. Let's just go ahead, and I want to take a picture of my face and of a plant and just take a look at the camera settings in here as well. Now when it comes to the camera settings, we're getting 4160, and you're also getting 1920 times 1080. You can mess around with it, and that's the highest it goes up to, so that's suitable. So let me just turn the camera around, and we'll take a quick picture of my face and of this plant in front of me. How you guys doing? So they got beauty mode right here. If you want to turn that off, you can. They also have AI cam on here, so you can turn that on as well. Let's just take a quick photograph of my face without beauty mode, because I want to keep it nice and alright, so let me see, turn this off. It's saying it's a person, so it's recognizing that it's me. I'll probably put that image in the video so you can see that. But this is how it came out right here. Not bad at all. A lot of detail right there on my face. You can get really close up and the details look really good, actually. It's just showing my scar here from chickenpox when I was like 6. I'm actually impressed with the detail on here. The more you zoom in, the more fuzzy it gets, but look at all the chin hairs right there. That looks really clear. Now we're gonna go back and take a photograph with the AI camera on of this plant right in front of me. Dang it, detected that it was a plant. Let's just see. I'm impressed with that photo right there off jump. So yeah, it's acceptable cameras, guys. These cameras are really good so far, really pleasing actually. So that's actually really good to see. So hopefully you guys did find this unboxing helpful. But if you guys want to see more on the K50s, then make sure you stay locked in for more videos just like this one. Hit the bell icon, subscribe for more videos. Make sure you hit the like button so you can show your support and appreciation. And check out the next video right after this one. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, later crew, have a good night. Peace.